A figure in a plane has rotational symmetry when the figure can be mapped onto itself by a rotation of 180 degrees or less about the center of the figure. And that center of the figure would be called the center of symmetry. If you make the diagonals, you can find the center of symmetry. So these points right here. Now what this means is the rotational symmetry occurs when a shape looks the same after it's been rotated around a specific point. So to illustrate this a little bit better, I've got a parallelogram here and I cut it out, same size and same shape. Here's my point of symmetry. And if I say, can I make it look the same at 180 degrees or less? Well, if I spin that around a little bit, no, it does not look the same. But if I spin it around, see that point moving right there, 180 degrees, it does look the same. So this parallelogram does have rotational symmetry at 180 degrees. Now, here I have a regular hexagon. And if I make all the diagonals, I'll find the point, the center of symmetry. So I'm going to put this little pin right here and try to hold this still. And if I spin it around just a little bit, oh, it looks the same, doesn't it? I've kind of let it slip, but you get the idea. I can spin it around again. It looks the same. Just moved a little bit, Anita. And spin it again, it looks the same. It keeps looking the same. But we're talking about being less than 180 degrees. So the way you find out what the number is you take 360 degrees and you divide it by how many sides you have, which is 6. And that is 60 degrees. And you can see that it does look like 60 degrees. Watch this. If I take my protractor and hold that line out, you can see there's my 60 degrees right there. It does look like 60 degrees, but we know that it did more than one time. So if 60 degrees is one of them, then I can take 60 times 2. I know it's going to look the same at 120 degrees, and 60 times 3, it'll look the same at 180 degrees. And remember, we said by rotation of 180 degrees or less. So we're just going to stick with the 60, the 120, and the 180 degrees on this one. Now this trapezoid here, if I place this trapezoid here and go to the center of symmetry and try spinning this around, it does not look the same. It doesn't look the same anywhere until I go all the way back to 360 degrees. So this trapezoid does not have rotational symmetry. So no rotational symmetry.